Also, more videos will be added soon. More videos about this Active Directory fundamentals and Active Directory pen testing. I will add them in the next month, and I will add them in these sections, okay, as 29th and 30th section, so that will be fine. So if you purchase this course, you will get access to that Active Directory pen testing also. So guys, this is about the short video on my Udemy course that is called Ultimate Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing. So let's talk about what are the contents of this course. So you can type in, sorry for this. So you can type in the Udemy search Ultimate Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing, or you can just click the link in the description, and you will learn about the penetration testing from scratch, and network pen testing, Stack Overflow attacks, assembly language, Metasploit, enumeration, and much more. OS top 10 web application vulnerabilities, privilege escalation techniques in both Linux and Windows, and SEH overflows, which stands for Structured Exception Handler. I also cover the theory and the practical demo, and shellcoding, burp suite, and scanning, and much more. So no prerequisites are required for this course, as this course is taught from beginner level. You can see here. Now let's go to the course contents. So first we will do the lab setup, and we will have the terminology about what are the terms that are used in cybersecurity, and Linux essentials, about all the Linux commands from basic to intermediate level, and then number systems. These are very helpful in conversions, and networking fundamentals. You can see there are a lot of theory concept. Without this theory, you cannot move into further sections. That's why this is very important one. And cryptography fundamentals. We will also do some demo on RSA algorithm, and web fundamentals. So this is a basic fundamentals that you need to learn for the web application penetration testing. And Python fundamentals. You can see there are a lot of contents over here, including from basic setup to exception handling. You can see all of these. These are the Python fundamentals. And Git basics. So you learn about this Git, and you will apply on this cherry tree application. So you will take the notes, and you will automatically sync to this Git. And Netcat. So we will see the how to use the Netcat from basics to intermediate level, including reverse shells, file transfer, and pivoting. And passive reconnaissance. I did not include much lectures, because more, if you want to learn about passive reconnaissance, it leads to some stalking or the things like that. So that's why I limited this passive reconnaissance. And enumeration and scanning. So we will use DNS enumeration and Nmap and Nikto, GoBuster, Drillbuster, etc. And then we will see the SMB enumeration. And then we will come to the Metasploit. So this is very important framework you should learn. And I have you can see the contents over here. Port scanning, SMB enumeration, and etc. And even the post exploitation modules are also being covered. So now we will move on to the burp suite. So you can see the basics of burp suite and usage of the burp suite, how you can use all the options in the burp suite. And then we will move on to web application penetration testing. In this we will discuss about MySQL, SQL basics. Without this SQL basics, you cannot do manual SQL injection. So that's why I have included this SQL basics. And then we will do the manual SQL injection, and then we will see the SQL map, and then we will see types of XSS and broken authentication, file vulnerability, sensitive data exposure, and XSC attacks, and XSS, file inclusion, and much more. You can see OS top 10 RB cover. Now we will see about network pen testing. So from SNMP pen testing to brute forcing and Linux file transfers, etc. And we also do the manual exploitation. So this is using the Metasploit and manual exploitation of this Eternal exploit. You can see we dump the hashes, and we try to crack using the John the Ripper. And we also learn about this Mimikatz. So this is about network pen testing and Linux privilege escalation. And you can know, if you got the basic reverse shell, you need to escalate your privileges to the root shell. So these are the various techniques you can use to escalate your privileges in Linux in the same way as in the Windows. Then we will write some tools in the Python because we have learned the Python fundamentals in the previous section. And then we will set up our lab for the exploit development in a virtual machine, and then we will learn this assembly. So assembly is very important, and basics of assembly are enough for exploit development. And we will learn about the fuzzing. So fuzzing is a black box testing, used to send the input, various input, and see whether the application handles that input or not. And then we will see the exploiting stack buffer overflows. You can see a lot of it goes beyond OSCP. If you are preparing for OSCP, this is perfect. And if you learn this all the concepts and do some practices, then you will almost excel at the OSCP level buffer overflows. And this SEH are optional for OSCP. If you are preparing for OSCP, you don't need to read this, study this section. And this is beyond OSCP. You can see SEH theory, and we will exploit that structured exception handler. And then we will move on to the shell coding. So you will create the manual payload, bind shell, reverse shell, and we will test the shell code, and then we will develop the encoders to encode that shell code. So this is all about the concepts you will learn. And there is a download section. It contains the Google Drive link. You can download all the softwares and the Python scripts from this Google Drive link. And bonus lecture includes the Discord group link, so you can join in the Discord server group and can ask the doubts related to these topics. So I think that's all, pretty much I covered it. And you can also view another courses, the practical buffer overflows for OSCP, Linux assembly and shell coding, and C programming concepts. These are 3 other courses, but this course is pretty much a very big one, and it contains 28 sections and almost 39 hours length. So if you want to start your career into ethical hacking or security or penetration testing or red teaming, then this course is good for you. You can see the price is also pretty much less. It's only $20, and it's actually 28 or some $30. And if you apply this Ultimate Hackers coupon, then you will get some 30% discount, and you can purchase this course for $20. So that's all for this video, guys. This is not any great course, but it's a good course if you want to begin your hacking journey. And also it will go some intermediate level in some concepts. So I can see web application and network pen testing, and in stack buffer overflows it's went to the some intermediate level. So if you want to learn from basic to intermediate level, and this course is good for you.